Back for Moen. And again, they look to beat the offside trap. Wilkinson. Now this is Mustoe. And Mustoe scores. It came off this time. 1-0 to Middlesbrough. A bit misty again. But like a summer's afternoon compared to the first half. Ripley plays it in. Come off the back there for Kernahan. Off the line and in the back of the net. Kernahan celebrates, but it was Wilkinson who got the final touch. Goes forward by Redmond. Lay off from Quinn. Into the middle there. And it's inside there, it's clipped in. And City have pulled one back.